If you didn't see my video yesterday, you should go check that out.
Yeah, and I made a wand.
Yes.
And I'm going to make a wand video right after this video.
I'll put his channel in the link in the description below. So, today, there's a plate.
Yep.
And today, and I don't want to play that again. So today is going to be, I'm starting a series, cooking with me. Sometimes you will see him, sometimes you won't. But,
and if you don't know her, she has a Musical.ly, so you can go follow her on Musical.ly. Her name is?
I'll put it in the link in the description. And
yeah, that's her name. I'll put it in the link in the description.
I also have a gaming channel. I'll also put that in the description.
Yeah.
So, yeah. So, as I was saying, today I'm starting a new series called Cooking With Me and Sometimes Him. So, I don't know why I called that.
Cooking With Me and Sometimes Him.
So, today we're making a snack bowl. Well, not a bowl.
Plate.
Because we're having a plate here, but same thing. So, well, I'm just going to get all the snacks and, yeah. So, the first thing that I'm going to get is, and there I have it. I have vanilla. So, now I'm going to pour them in the thing. How about first oil? The chocolate is really this is gonna go in the middle. So yeah, that's the first. And I have them in my hand. So I'm gonna pour these.
So right now she's putting them one by two.
The stuff on. We still have some in here, but we'll go see that later. And the next thing that we're gonna put is some marshmallows. So I'm just gonna get them in my hand right now. Ready? Boom. Here. Sorry for the weird lighting. If it looks weird, I don't know if it's weird. We need one stand. If you guys like this, and let us know if you would eat it or not.
We would, so.
I'm gonna eat this, and yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe if you want to. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Peace out.